Yo, I just cannot stop buying Air Jordan 1s, man. I don't know what's going on. Over these last couple of months, your boy been buying way too many pairs of Air Jordan 1s, man. So I'm sorry I gotta see another Air Jordan 1 unboxing, but we gotta get into it, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to another video. So we're gonna jump right into it today. I wanna drop a quick video for you guys, letting y'all know what I picked up over, the last month. I still got a couple more unboxings to get through. Some heat in my opinion, man. I went out there and paid the extra bread for taking an L on it. And these right here, I actually hit on Nike sneakers app, which is quite surprising. You guys already know my luck with Nike sneakers app. It's very, very terrible, man. So if you guys are new, man, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, please, please leave a huge like on today's video. It really, really helps the channel grow, man. You guys already know, man, IG and Twitter will be linked down below. I'm already smelling some restocks, some shock drops coming up. We got a bunch of anticipated sneakers coming up from Jordan brand. I'm gonna be putting you guys on along the way, all the information we do get. I really love the boxes we get from Nike. I know it's, y'all probably like, what am I talking about? But all you gotta do is literally pull this little piece right here and you get into the box, man. Y'all need to keep that up, Nike. Please, please keep that up. All right, now you wanna give me problems. Come on now. Come on now, there you go. There you go, man. So like I said, I picked this up actually from the Nike sneakers app. I have not been very lucky as of lately on the Nike sneakers app, but this one right here, I'm gonna take this one, I appreciate it. I do wish I got a little bit more dubs on Nike sneakers app, because all the money I get them, you would think they'd be showing your boys some love, but they don't, man. So here we have it. Let's go ahead and pull these Air Jordan 1s out. I already knew this was, even though I got like 6 packages in my room, I knew this was an Air Jordan 1 just because the box is so small. I'm like, yo, this one gotta be it, man. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick. Very, very dope sneaker in my opinion. I'm glad I was able to cop it. I'm glad to add to the collection, man. Air Jordan 1 collection is looking very, very good in my opinion. Been picking up some gems. And let me know down below in the comment section which Air Jordan 1s you've been picking up recently for your collection, man. So here you have it. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, man, size 9. University Gold, light Bordeaux. You guys should probably already know what it is. You guys see them. We have, let's go ahead and get it open. We have the Air Jordan 1. Yes, sir, man. Oh, man. I can just smell it, bro. I can just smell them. We have the Brotherhood Air Jordan 1s. Yo, man, so real quick, let me go ahead and pull both of them out of the box real quick. You got some extra laces. You got some crazy, crazy quality with these too, man. Look at the toe box. Look at the quality on that toe box, man. It's super soft. And it kind of reminds me of the dark marina blues we just got with the quality. I'm really, really digging these off first impression, man. So pretty much a little history behind this one right here. It goes back to Jordan's fraternity. I'm putting a couple pictures up here of the fraternity he was in, but you guys should probably already know these two colors, especially if you went to HBCU. Do your research if you want to. But just into the sneaker, I did not know that Jordan was a part of the fraternity. So I really like how Nike and Jordan brand come together, kind of give some stories with the sneakers they do drop for us, man. Just like the Air Jordan 1 Rebellionaires, you got the X on the back, you guys already know about that. Air Jordan bands, he could not wear Air Jordans in the NBA, he kept getting fined. I just like how they express the meaning of the sneaker with all the different hits on the box, the sneakers, the colors, all that good stuff. So like I said, these joints came with some yellow laces, some white laces, and inside this thing you also get some purple, pretty much match the toe box and the heel of the sneaker. And I don't know what happened to this one right here, man. I really thought that this one's gonna be going for a lot of bread. I just feel like the last 2 years, every pair of Air Jordan 1s that are released, everything sold out. Everything was going for over 350 plus, and that's why I'm probably like scarred. I'm just scarred mentally. All the money I had to pay on resale over the last 2 years because it was just so hard to touch a pair of these Air Jordan 1s. And lately, we got the Air Jordan Rebellionaires, got Air Jordan 1 Dark Marina Blues, a bunch of Air Jordan 1s we got recently. All of the resale value is super, super low. That's why I'm always hopping up on here telling you guys, man, if you really like the Air Jordan 1s, you actually like the model, you like the colorways and stuff like that, you better buy it now while it's low, because you already know, man, no Air Jordan 1s is safe as far as it goes with resale. This one right here is probably one of the hardest Air Jordan 1s I done picked up in a while, you know. It's probably actually hard to wear the sneaker, but I can already think of a couple of things in the closet and the wardrobe to actually rock out with these. Got the yellow bottoms right here, man, matching the toe box and the heel of the sneaker. And like I said, all around the entire Air Jordan 1 brotherhoods, the quality is very, very nice, man. So yeah, please let me know down below in the comment section if you were able to add these joints to the collection. Let me know if you cop, drop, and let me know what you think the resale gonna look like by the end of the year, man, because I keep telling y'all, no Air Jordan 1s is safe. And next thing you know, joints might skyrocket all the way past $400, man. You just never know with these Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel right now for your boy. Hit the like button, it really goes a long way. Head over to my IG and my Twitter to give your boy a follow. So you don't miss out on any more sneaker news, sneaker updates, shock drops, exclusive access, all that good stuff, man. And you know what, man, just for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these joints on feet. I'm probably gonna keep the purple laces in there. I think that's the best lace to go with it as far as the toe box and all that good stuff. So we're gonna do a quick low on feet at the end of this video. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Thanks for all the love and support, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.